best part has been feeling the growth over the course of the 3 days, the warmth and friendliness and support of all the participants that have been here. That has created this synergy, I think, that has amped up everything that has come out of this experience for me.
I think my time in the retreat is going to be transformational for my career as a speaker. I was recently told by a mentor that I needed to raise my prices. And I'll be honest, there was a part of me that felt like I'm not ready to raise my prices. And I knew that there were things that I needed to do to level up. And now that I've come to this retreat, I'm more comfortable speaking off script and commanding the stage and bringing energy. I actually feel comfortable now raising those prices. So I think this is going to have a huge impact on my business, on my revenue, and honestly on my life.
Watching these women and getting the courage and the confidence helped me to step forward into that, to where I said, okay, I'm doing it. Having the accountability was key, along with the support of not only Carol and Diane, but also the group.